Hello guys, we are here now in generator room. We are trying to test the flame detector, conventional type, in the generator area. And we know guys that in generator area there is a tank, reservoir tank, fuel tank reservoir for generator in case of power failure or in case the generator will run. That and the flame detector was activated. The purpose of it is to shut down the power supply of the supply motor to supply this fuel needed by the generator. And you will see there is a bulb there. Okay, this is a shut off bulb, and there's a fire. It will go down and open up this bulb to drain the fuel reservoir of the generator directly going to the dump tank area. So if you are using a conventional flame detector, you will need a power supply. You can program one knock circuit for a resettable constant power, so that in case you will reset the panel, you will reset also the power supply of the flame detector and allowing to reset the flame detector itself. So that flame detector, there is a remote indicator LED in case of fire, or if the flame detector is activated, there's a voltage going to the remote LED, remote indicator LED, and that voltage you will use in the small relay to energize it, and that common and normally open directly connected to the monitor module for fire alarm monitoring during the flame detector activated. And that monitor module will activate also. Okay, will command also to activate that relay module to shut off the power supply of the fuel motor in order to avoid to supply the fuel during the generator running mode, and also allowing to run the exhaust fan into high speed. Shut the door will lift up and initiate a general alarm in substation. So again, guys, you can use an ordinary lighter to two more meters, 2 or more meters, to activate the flame detector. And when you reset the panel, you will also resetting the power supply of the flame detector and at the same time the flame detector. So this is just a basic information, basic na additional knowledge for you guys, for all the technical people, technical guys. So I hope it will help. Okay, a basic idea, but knowledgeable. Uh, so thank you guys, and always take care. Bye bye.